Started.
The car?
No, your fucking house. Nice. Alright. Got my boy Malik with the Z. Back outside again for like the third damn time. Just got a whole new trans. Well, you just got a new trans, right? Number 3. Trans number 3. Let me know if y'all would have still kept y'all Z or if y'all would have sold it. Because honestly, I would have sold it, bro. 3 transes and this is his second engine. I would have sold this shit, I'm not gonna lie. But still holding it down. Still staying loyal to the VQ boys. Got the GL looking chipped up, of course, but it's all right. We're gonna get that taken care of real soon. I do plan on getting a wrap soon and getting a new front lip. Like it's this front lip that comes on these models that I haven't seen too many people with. So I think I'm gonna get that next. And then once I get that, get the grill, and then I'm gonna just get wrapped after that. Get the hood re-clear coated, because as you can see, it's a lot of like dry streaks. Like at certain angles, it looks cool. But if you can see like right here, all these little streaks. I tried to clear coat it myself, but I ended up running out of clear coat, so that's why it kind of looks like that. But I'm gonna get that re-clear coated, get this wrapped. I was gonna get the IPL bumper, but I think I'm just keep this bumper. I'm not gonna rock out with the IPL. I wanted to, but I'm just keep it how it is. I'm gonna keep the wheels. Got some 20-inch Rohanas on this thing. More paint scratches right here, but that's all right. Real soon, all of this is gonna be different. And there's like a little rare diffuser piece that goes like right here that I might get. And it kind of like curves down into the diffuser, so I might get that just to kind of make it look more beefier in the rear. But other than that, that's pretty much all the plans for the G right now. We got a new exhaust on it, so motor down, still holding up, still doing good. My boy still got the fat old ISR. Needs to get the damn light fixed. Bullshit. Matter of fact, yeah, man, when you gonna get that diffuser light fixed, man?
When I get the whole bumper, like the whole niggas don't know yet, but there's some shit coming real soon for this car, and I'm gonna make a whole video explaining it. Just know she's getting a whole new look, so that's gonna take care of that question. But just stay tuned.
Yeah, we gonna see. So wait, it comes with the light, the brake light?
No, it doesn't have one. It doesn't have like it's a,
so you just gotta buy one and then hook it up.
No, there's no slot for it.
Oh, you won't? Well, see, are you gonna make one or you not get one at all?
I'm gonna try to put it on the diffuser.
Oh.
It doesn't come with the bumper that's out.
Man, that's iconic. As you can see, I got mine. I had to install this myself.
It's gonna be the bumper itself won't have it because there's gonna be something else right here.
Oh.
You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm saying?
I don't know. I just feel like it's just an iconic look with the little brake light. And you got 4. You got that one, you got the tail, and then yeah. That shit is fire. I would have had 4 if I didn't get the trunk, because the trunk had one. But I said, nah, I don't need that. I'd rather have a carbon fiber trunk than that little LED brake light, whatever. It's all looking clean now. So what you doing, about to step?
Yep. Sitting on up there.
All right, well, we about to go on a little cruise. I'm gonna try to get like a POV drive for y'all. I don't know how this is about to turn out, but we gonna try and see. Kind of low on gas, but we can make it work. Okay, I don't know how this angle looks. Okay, this angle might look retarded. Excuse my French. I don't know how this looks, but we're gonna try it out. All right, let's go. I don't know how this is what it look. We about to try it out. Try to give a little commentary, but I'm not gonna talk too much. I kind of just want to let y'all enjoy the sounds of the 3.7 with the motor down. You know, I really just want to get like just a POV drive for y'all. Nothing too crazy. Some little G37 VQ ASMR, you feel me? Going on. Flames on. I don't know if I want to shoot flames like that. I don't got too much gas for all that. You know what? Fuck it. I can get gas when I get down there. Upfit. Try to shoot a little bit. I ain't gonna shoot too much. That's enough flames. Ain't gonna run it though. I hope the angle looks right. I hope it ain't horrible. Barely trying the best I can right now. Damn, that ISR is loud. Camera right here, we gotta chill out. To throw a supercharger on here though, I'll be honest, because I've been really looking at that new Z1 supercharger, and I'm not gonna lie, it looks like a good bang for your buck. You know, of course you have to pay more depending on like the pulley size that you want. You know, if you want the smaller pulley, that's gonna get you more power, so you know it costs more in that aspect. But overall, for how much they're charging, they get like 500, 550 horsepower, bro. Might think about it. You know, and everybody loves Z1. If you got a VQ, there's no denying Z1 is where it's at. Customer service, parts you need. You know, like Z1 is the spot to go. So yeah, I think I might have to make that plunge and mess with Z1. Dude needs to get in front of me because I don't even know where we're going. That didn't sound good. Bro, that shit is so obnoxious, bro. Dang. Somebody in the Mopar was going crazy over there. Just on time. I probably look crazy as hell with this phone on my head. But hey, man. Whatever for the content. Watch this dude do a dig. Some good cranberry juice. pull against this dude in so long. Nice. I thought you was trying to run it again. I was about to say, boy, you can get this smoke, boy. The little ass slow VQ. That motherfucker slow as evil. This shit is fun though. Like 330 horsepower is pretty fun. I'm just ready for that 500, 600. What's the fastest G37 like boosted, fully built? I want to know. Like, is there any like 1300 horsepower VQ 37s out there? I don't think so. I don't even think that's possible. I want to know like what's the world record for like the fastest VQ? Not NA. I don't care about NA. Everybody want to talk about the fastest NA. I don't care. What's the fastest boosted VQ 37? That's what I want to know. Are annoyed. This shit is so loud. But I love it though. This is the best exhaust in my opinion. Can't beat the motor down. Shout out to the ISR boys and all that, but the motor down got it. For being honest. If I'm being completely honest. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to plug this freaking charger in. Camera doesn't pick it up. I actually have the damn charger plugged into the phone. I know I look ridiculous. I hope my boy Corey watching this, cause your man don't know how to use paddle shifters. It's kind of making me disappointed. I feel like a disappointed father, even though he like 5 years older than me. good, because if it's gonna be a waste of footage, I'm gonna be so upset. We at the Tarjay. Come on, Malik, with your non-parking ass. There you go, motherfucker. There you go, line it up. Line it up, there you go. Fucking imbecile. Alright, well, nice little cruise with the bro, nothing too crazy. I literally just wanted to just get a little POV for y'all. We got a quick little run in. Haven't got to run with him since he got the car back. You know, new engine, new trans. I haven't got to run with him, so it seems like it's running pretty healthy. You know what I'm saying? Mine looked like it was running pretty healthy. It looked like I just got like a little bit of a start on him, but other than that, he was side by side. So, you know, just want to get a quick POV for y'all. Nothing too crazy. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, sub to the channel, man. We about to hit 400 subs, man. So let's try to hit 400, man, by the end of, what's about to be June? Yeah, we could try to hit 400 by like the end of June. We can do that. If we can hit 500 by the end of June, that'll be even better. For real, for real. So make sure y'all sub up, man. More videos coming soon. Let me know in the comments what type of videos y'all want to see. If y'all like the POVs or y'all want like the mod videos. Let me know what y'all want to see. I got y'all. Other than that, peace.